Hi, I am Vipul Patel and I have been a part of Sapphire for the last 3.5 years as a team leader for .NET technology and leading a team of 10 people. I would say the best part of working in Sapphire is the learning environment and open door policy. It is technologically really advanced and all employees are treated equally to learn new technologies and skills. It also has a great leadership program that help in my growth personally and professionally. Sapphire has given me the opportunity to work and lead the team on multiple tools and technologies, including VB6, C#.NET, Windows applications, ASP.NET Core, ASP.NET, Angular 14, Razor, Blazor, and projects involving CRM integrations and many other technologies. It has been a very great experience because as a software professionals, we should be always updated with the new technologies introduced in the industries, and Sapphire gives us the opportunity to get your hands on the latest trends.